Right, time for another coffee break review. You may have seen a review on the small 16-inch ring light that we did, and we're doing this in anticipation and answer to lots of people obviously in the pandemic have had to make Zoom meetings look good, or they've perhaps taken up blogging or vlogging, and I've been reviewing, or I am reviewing, a number of ring lights, and today's turn it's for the Rico 240 daylight balanced ring light. Now, the reason I mentioned the previous one, the first one that I reviewed, is all to do with size, because this guy is 19 inches across. Now, normally I would be using HDMIs or constant lights, maybe bouncing off a flat or going through an umbrella to do these reviews or these sorts of face-to-face chat things. And I've got to say, as an old Luddite, using the ring light is way simpler, way easier, and the light is quite attractive, even though the person talking isn't necessarily. Now, this guy is daylight balanced. I think I'm right in saying, let me just check, where am I? There are 240 daylight balanced LEDs in this bad boy. So I don't have to worry about colour balance. You should be able to see that that light is a slightly different colour, because that's a different colour balance, but I look okay because this is daylight balanced. The main thing that has come out of this for me is having that bigger size of ring light is more comfortable to look at, and that's what this is about. If we're going to have a digital world, we don't just want to have a digital world to make life easier and make us look better. It needs to be comfortable as well. So my advice would be, if you're going to go down the ring light route, which is a lovely soft light, then bigger is actually better, is actually more comfortable. Now, this unit comes with a set of diffusers for the front, which we've got fitted, and the diffusers are neutrally coloured, transparent or semi-transparent plastic covers, just like this, because it also comes with these colour temperature orange shims that you put on in quarters round the ring light if you want to do some funky colour effects. Now, if you just want the thing to work straight out of the box, it has. It was simple to put together, it was simple to use. It comes with a hot shoe, so you can fit your phone or your camera in the correct position for it, and it comes with a carry case. It plugs into the mains and it works beautifully. Now, what we are going to do is I'm going to get somebody to turn the power up and down on it for me. So if we can just go to maximum power, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right, so that's it, really running at full chat. And even at full power, it's not uncomfortable for me to still look at the camera, where it was slightly harder to do that on the 16-inch unit. Now, it's completely dimmable, it's steplessly dimmable, which we will demonstrate slowly now, going all the way down, 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 down to 10% of its total output. So you can set it anywhere in between that is right for the effect or the environment that you want it to work in. So we'll go up a little bit now, there we go. So it's easy for me to work under, and that's the beauty of this. It's simple. It's absolutely a breeze to use. It's £9 over £100 normally, although I had a look before and it's actually on sale at the moment now, so it's out on offer for under £100. And if you're going to be sensible and prettify yourself in your digital communication world, whether it's for fun or whether it's for business, this is worth looking at. It's simple, it's straightforward, you plug it in, you turn it on and it works. But the big tip from me on the review is bigger is better, because the concentration of the ring of light is a bit bigger and it's not as hard on the eyes to work and to use even at full power as we've just showed. So it's the Rico 240 daylight balanced LED light. Not bad at all, does exactly what it says on the box and is good value for money. Right, I thought it'd be interesting to show you what I'm seeing. This is the ring light minus the camera. Camera would be in the center of it, and it's not turned on at the moment. If I just ask Leslie to turn it on, right, you can see all the individual daylight balance ring lights in there now, and you can see that we've got the frosted diffuser over the front. Now if Leslie, that's 10% of its power at its minimum. If I ask Leslie to just go slowly through, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. So it's quite a strong and powerful beast. That's at full power now, but you can see because it's bigger than the 16-inch one, it's actually easier to look at. It's not as difficult on the eye. So if you turn it down, Leslie, to where we were when we were filming, which was probably less than half of its power, because keep going, because I could see the individual lights. Oh, you've gone right to the bottom, go up slowly. Right, so it's obviously just a filming thing. I can see the individual lights, whereas you're having a harder time to do it on the video. Maybe if I change the exposure, there you go. That's exactly how it's looking to me as we're filming now, and as we have filmed. And that's just a quick look round. You can see that the power is at the bottom and the dimmer switch is at the bottom. So it's pretty straightforward, very, very easy to use, and it's simple, straightforward, and works out of the box, doing exactly what you're asking it to do, which is provide daylight balance, soft, usable ring light.